Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A12. Okay, first we need to be connected to the Wi-Fi, so open up the settings, and if you are not connected, go into connections and select available network. Then go back, scroll all the way down, click on about phone, click on software information, and now we need to tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Also, you need to be aware that if you unlock your bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset of the data, so everything will be erased. So I highly recommend to create a backup of the data before starting the whole process. Okay, now scroll down, click on developer options, and in here we have OEM unlocking feature. We need to enable that. Click on enable. Our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet because we need to open up the special menu. So now we need to power off the device, so hold the power key, select power off, confirm. Now we need to have an USB-C cable that is connected into our PC or laptop. It is up to you. And now we need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them we need to insert the cable into our phone. So both volume keys, insert the cable, keep holding the buttons. Okay, now hold volume up. Okay, and now click on volume up to unlock the bootloader. Now the phone will perform the factory reset. Okay, we can unplug the cable. And now we have to wait until our phone turns on. We will go quickly through the setup process and we will verify everything in the settings. Okay, the phone has turned on. Now we need to select our language. I'll pick English, then click on OK, and then click on Start. Click on Next. Select that you agree. Okay, now click on More and agree. Let's skip the Wi-Fi for now, so this the process will be much faster. Okay, don't copy. Next. More, accept. Let's skip the screen lock. Next. Skip. Finish. Okay, our phone has turned on, and now we again need to open up developer options. So settings, let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, now go back, scroll down, about phone, software information, tap on the build number. Okay, now go back, developer options, and it needs to look exactly like that. So OEM unlocking feature is enabled, and it says bootloader already unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.